Mastering the passive voice, the simplicity of am, is, and are. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a fundamental component of the English language, and that's the passive voice. Our primary focus will be the use of to be verb in its simplest form: am, is, and are. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use these verbs effectively to form the present simple passive voice. So, let's get started. The to be verb is a critical part of the English language. It serves as a linking verb, connecting the subject with more information about the subject. It's crucial in forming continuous, perfect, and passive sentences. Today, we're focusing on the present simple form of to be, am, is, and are. In the present simple tense, am is used with the first-person singular pronoun, I. Is used with the third-person singular pronouns, he, she, and it. Are is used with we, you, and they, as well as all plural nouns. Here are some examples. I am a student. He is a teacher. We are friends. When forming the passive voice, we need the to be verb plus a past participle. Here's how to use am, is, and are to form the present simple passive voice. I am loved. He is admired. They are respected. Remember, the passive voice focuses more on the action being done to the subject, rather than who or what is performing the action. The best way to understand this is through practice. Try forming your own passive sentences using am, is, and are. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it for today's lesson, folks. I hope this video has helped clarify how to use am, is, and are to form the present simple passive voice. English may seem tricky at times, but with continuous learning and practice, you're bound to master it. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.